স্যার প্রাইম নাম্বার হবে?
সলভ করতে হবে। Okay, if x is a whole number, if the only but x is a whole number, okay, that means starting from 0. If the only common factors of x and x square are 1 and x, then x is okay. The only common factors of x and x square, okay, x is a whole number starting from 0. Why are you saying prime number? If say I take x as 3, okay, say let me take a x as 4, okay, then x square is 16, right? If only common factors of x and x square are 1 and x, okay.
তো তাহলে তো মাঝখানে ফ্যাক্টরস গুলো আসবে না,
Hmm.
লাইক 2 টাও তো চলে আসবে, সেটা তো হওয়া উচিত না।
Right. So 16 will be 2 into 2 into
তাহলে ওটা শুধু
2
প্রাইম
into 2,
হিসেবেই হওয়া উচিত।
and 4 will be 2 into 2. Okay. So that means what are going to be the factors? 1, 2, 4, and this is going to be 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. So the common factors will be 1, 2, and 4. Yes. So this is, then x is a. Achha, what about odd number? Let's see about odd numbers. Let's check all of them. Okay. So option A we tested, and this is not correct. এটা বুঝতে পারলে কোশ্চেনটা কি আছে? x is a whole number if the only common factors of x and x square are 1 and x, then x is what? ঠিক আছে, I'm testing the first one, perfect speed. I'm second one, option B I'm testing. Okay, so x is 4 and x square is 16, so x 16 can be written as 1, 2, 4, 8, and 6, 16, and 4 can be written as 1, 2, and 4. Okay, now what are the common factors? 1, 2, 4. So 1 and according to this question 1 and 4 should be the only common factors, but that is not true. So x is 15, let us take x is 15, and what is x square? X square is 225, right? So 1, 3, 5, and 15, these are the factors of 15. What are the factors of 225? Okay, 9, okay, and 15, 25 also, and dot dot dot, many other there. So I can see that 1, 3, 5, 15. Okay, so many are common factors, so this is also wrong. Let's see about A. Okay, let's test A. I should have tested A first. 1. Now x is 1, x square is also 1. Now factors of 1 is what? Factors of 1 is 1 only. Okay, and factors of 1, that is also 1. Now it is given 1 and x. So here this is satisfying this condition. 1 is condition, but I need to test this also. So prime number, let me take 7 as a prime number, right? So what is going to be x square? 49. So what are the factors of 7? 1 and 7. What are the factors of 49? 1, 7, 49. So here I can see that the common factor is 1 and 7. Okay, let me take something else, say 11 and 121. So 11 is going to be 1 and 11. 121 is going to be 1, 11, 121, right? So this is going to be 1 and 11 again. So this D is a much more appropriate option than E. Okay, because D, this particular condition is satisfied for all values of prime number. Prime number is what? Prime number is something which is only two factors, 1 and itself, and this is what is talking about over here. Okay, so D is the right answer. Ishika, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yogesh? Try to do this. It's very simple. Okay, should I do it? Let me do it. Very easy sum. Just let me do it simply, okay? 4, 6, 48. Of course, the LCM is going to be 48. 12, 8 minus 1 divided by, again the LCM is going to be 48 only. 12 minus within bracket 8 minus 1. So this is going to be 1 by 24. Again the LCM is going to be 48. This is going to be 2 minus 1. And so this is going to be 1 by 24. Okay, let me keep 1 by 44 outside. Okay, 6, 8 says 8 minus 1. That is 4 by 48. 7 by 3. 7 by 3. None of options.
सर 12 - 9 तो 3 है ना?
3 तो होना चाहिए.
नहीं सर इधर 5 होगा
नीचे
क्योंकि
पे तो
प्लस है
5 হচ্ছে
13 हो गया ना नीचे वाला
Oh, sorry, sorry, sorry.
নিচেরটা
It's
5
going to
হচ্ছে
be
আর
7.
উপরেরটা
Yes, 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 yes.
3
ऊपर का 3 होगा
Right, right.
উপরেরটা 3
So this is going to be 3, right, right. 7 is 21 by 20. Yes. Okay. 21 by 20. See. That's a plain calculation. বুঝি বুঝতে পেরেছো তো? ওকে, let's move on to the next one. We have completed this paper. Let's move on to the next one. This sum is more from an equation perspective, linear equation perspective, but it is a very simple sum, and you have done it in class 10, 9, everywhere. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, it's a very easy sum.
Sir, 81.
Two times a two-digit number is 9 times the number obtained by reversing the digit ago. See, this is a problem sum on linear equations. Okay, two times a two-digit number. Okay, so in a digit sum, okay, in a digit sum, always take unit and the tens digit. Okay, so let the unit digit be x. And tens digit be y. Okay, two times of a two-digit number. So what is the number? What is the number? Eh? No. If the unit digit is x and tens digit is y, then the number is 10y plus x. 10y plus x. Okay, how 10y plus x? See, say for example 53. তারা তো এখানে একদম জিজ্ঞেস করছে যে রাস্তাঘাটের কি অবস্থা বলে দিই। Okay, so say for example 53. How can I write down 53? 5 in 5 into 10 plus 3 into 1. Why? Because this is the unit digit and this is the tens digit. So multiply the digit with its base value, okay, and you will form the number. So here the tens digit is y and the unit digit is x. So what is the number? 10y plus x. Okay. Now it is given 2 times the 2 digit number. Reversing the digits. So reverse number is going to be what? Reverse number is going to be 10x plus y. Okay. Now 2 times of the 2 digit number. So that is 2 into, okay. So 2 times of 2 digit number is 9 times the number obtained by reversing the digits. Okay. So what is y? 8x, right? 2 times 2 digit number is 9 times. Sum of the digits is okay. So this is one equation we got. Now the sum of the digits is 9. So that means x plus y is equals to what? 9. Right? So y is equals to what? 9 minus x. Okay, so that is 9 minus x equals to 8x. That is 9 is equals to 9x. That is x equals to 1. Right? So when x equals to 1, then y is equals to what? 8. I have got x, I have got 8. So what is going to be the number? The number is going to be 10 into 8 plus 1, that is 81. Okay. Pritama, your answer was correct. Ishika, did you understand this sum? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
সুতরাং বুঝতে পেরেছো? কপি করে নাও, করে নিয়েছো, করে নাও তাড়াতাড়ি। এখানে এত শাইন তো করছে না, দেখতে পাচ্ছি না। Try out this sum. Site বন্ধ করছি।
So 9.
দেখছি দাঁড়া। রিতমা বলছে নাই, তোমরা দুজনে একে অপরকে অপোজ করছো। দাঁড়া দেখি কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 4। Answer is T, 9. উল্টে দাও না ওটাকে, উল্টে দাও, 9টাকে উল্টে দাও, 6টাকে উল্টে দাও। The sum of two numbers, দেখো sum of two numbers one of which is one third of the other, খুব ইজি। একটা x নিলাম, তাহলে আরেকটা কি হচ্ছে x/3, এদের দুজনের সামটা কি 36, ঠিক আছে। তাহলে কি হচ্ছে 4x/3 হচ্ছে 36। ওকে, তাহলে x টা কত হচ্ছে 36 into 3/4, এটা কত হচ্ছে 12, ঠিক আছে। তো স্মলার নাম্বার, তাহলে একটা যদি এই সরি 4 9 is 36, 9 3 is 27, ঠিক আছে। So if x is 27, x/3 is the smallest, let's go to the 9, বুঝতে পেরেছো? হয়েছে? Let's move on to the next one. Most of them are sums on percentages. Can you see? In this particular paper. And imports and streams. Try out this sum. This is actually based on ratio, but very easy. The application of ratio is there. এটা আলো লাগছে।
Sir, 5.
None of this কিন্তু খুব ডেঞ্জারাস আনসার।
Sir, 5 বললাম।
না না শ্রীতমা বলবে, তোমার বন্ধু।
ও আচ্ছা।
শ্রীতমা তোমার বন্ধু, ও বলেছে।
5 होगा।
5. Okay, let me solve this. The number that must added to each
Sir,
of the
5
number.
হবে?
আমি করছি, ঠিক আছে, কারণ শ্রীতমার জন্য করতে হবে। The number that must be added to each of the numbers. দেখি কি করেছো, কোথায় করেছো, এটা কি হচ্ছে, কোন নাম্বারটা, দেখো the number that must be added to each of the numbers, কোন নাম্বারটায় প্রত্যেকটা নাম্বারকে যদি অ্যাড করি to make the ratio of the first two numbers equal to the ratio of the last two numbers, তাহলে একটা single, so there is one particular number that is added to all of them. So let me take it as x. So 8 plus x, 21 plus x, 13 plus x, 31 plus x. Okay, so that the problem sum is nothing but it is a I mean user manual. Okay, so when you buy a TV, what you do, you follow the user manual and you this assemble the TV, right? So this is just like a user manual. So the number, what is the number? X is the number that must be added. What added means? What? Plus to each of the numbers there. That means x, 21, 13 and 31. Okay, to make the ratio of the first two numbers. Okay, so ratio of the first two numbers is what? 8 plus x by 21 plus x. ठीक है जी, equal to, that is equal to 13 plus x by 31 plus x. Okay, so if I cross multiply, okay, right, the ratio of the first two numbers equals to ratio of the last two numbers. Now I can solve this by quadratic form. Okay, I can expand this, I will multiply this, I'll get square x square, I'll expand this again, I'll get x square. That will be big. So why not let me use the option form? Also from here also we can easily tap option form. Okay, so if I take option number A, that is 7, so that is going to be 15 by 28, right? If I take 7, that is going to be 15 by 28, so 15 by 20 by 28 cannot be cut. Now if I take 7 over here, that is going to be 20 divided by 38, so that is going to be 2 tens are 2 nines, 9 tens are, so not the right answer. Okay, if I take B, 5, so that means 13 by 26, that is going to be half, and the second one is going to be again 13 plus 5, that is 18 plus 36, that is going to be half, so this one satisfies. Let's see 9. 9 is going to be what? 9 is 17 divided by 30, and the second one is going to be 22 divided by 40, so 2 11s are 2 20s. Okay, not satisfied, so this is the one which is satisfied, so B is the right answer. বুঝতে পেরেছো? কপি করে নাও সেখানে। বুঝছি। And I also see a lot of permutations questions, permutation and combination in this particular paper. This part is all data interpretation. Ishika, your sum that I will do it today, okay? I will do it today and I'll send it to you. It's a sum on coding and decoding.
Hmm.
Today
Okay,
I'm at
sir.
home only. I have time, so I will do that. Okay, rest all this is and this is the solutions part. Okay. Let's do some from RS. So, Ishika, we have okay. There is one more. Hold on. I'm getting
सर ये वाला पेपर आप मेरे को फॉरवर्ड कर देंगे?
yes, Kudu. Yes. ये আমাকে আরো 10 মিনিট ওভার हाँ बोलो इशिका क्या बोल रहे हो
सर ये पेपर आप मेरे को फॉरवर्ड कर देंगे?
हाँ और बहुत बार किया था ठीक है और एक बार कर दूंगा
ये ये वाला नहीं है मेरे पास।
ओके करता हूँ
हम्म,
अभी जो मैंने खोला वो वाला ना
हाँ
see most of the questions are on percentage Ishika practice percentage profit and loss very nicely okay
ओके सर।
and I also see probability sums sure. I don't know whether this is in syllabus or not I think this is just a I mean, sample test paper this particular sum that you are seeing is on Bayes theorem probability Bayes theorem
सर इसमें कुछ अलग है और वो जो बुक हम ऑर्डर किए थे उसमें कुछ
हाँ
अलग है।
तो मैथ का कोई कोई गारंटी नहीं है कौन सा पता नहीं है मैथ का ये पैटर्न ना बहुत ही अजीब है ठीक है एक सेक्शन दे दिया जिसका मार्क्स परसेंटाइल में ऐड नहीं करेगा स्कोर में ऐड करेगा तो फिर वो रखा क्यों है फालतू का उसमें से तुमको एक अटेम्प्ट
हाँ
करना ही पड़ेगा बिकॉज
हाँ
बेस्ड ऑन दैट योर क्या so that will not be included sorry that will not be included in score but that will be included in percentile you will have to attempt one or
परसेंटेज।
yes otherwise you will not get a good percentile अजीब चीज है भाई क्वेश्चन पेपर अवेलेबल नहीं है
प्रैक्टिस करेंगे किससे उस बुक से कर रहा है तो
हाँ
एकदम वो अलग ही रूट में ले जा रहा है।
okay, got it what is our number system solve this one Try out the sum first.
So just একটা guess, but 3 হবে?
Guess করবে?
মানে কাইন্ড অফ একটা হালকা মতো
হালকা মতো
ক্যালকুলেশন করলাম, বাট আই
হালকা
ডোন্ট
মতো
নো।
হালকা মতো
3
guess.
হবে?
দেখি যদি আনসার দেওয়া থাকে। আচ্ছা দেওয়া আছে, হ্যাঁ 3 রাইট। তোমার হালকা মতো গেসের কিন্তু ভারী ইম্প্যাক্ট আছে। Four numbers are in proportion, ঠিক আছে, চারটে নাম্বার proportion. Okay, so what is the meaning of proportion? Say for example a b c d, these are the four numbers. So proportion means what? A by b is equal to c by d. This is called proportion. So four numbers are in proportion. The sum of the squares of the first four numbers is 50 and the sum of the mean is 5. The ratio of the first two terms is 1:3. What is the average of the four numbers? অনেক কিছু বলছে। So four numbers are in proportion. So let me take a b c d. Okay. So that means what? A by b is equals to c by d. This is the case. The sum of the squares of the কি বলেছে, the sum of the squares of the four numbers. That means what? A square plus b square plus c square plus d square is 50, right? The sum of the squares of the four numbers is 50 and the sum of the mean. Okay, that means what? A plus and the sum of the mean.
স্যার সাম অফ দ্য মিনস মানে তো মাঝখানে দুটোর সাম হচ্ছে 5, আর সাইডের দুটোকে তো এক্সট্রিম বলা হয়। মাঝখানের দুটো মিন, সাইডের গুলো এক্সট্রিম।
The sum of the mean, হ্যাঁ এই দুটো বলেছে, ঠিক আছে। Okay, so means কোনগুলো? Means is b and c. Okay, so sum of the means, that means b plus c is equals to what? 5. ঠিক আছে। আচ্ছা, the ratio of the first two terms is 1/3, তাহলে a by b আবার বলে দিয়েছি 1/3, ঠিক আছে। তাহলে c by d টা কি? সেটাও 1/3। if a by b is 1/3, c by d is 1/3. Okay, so that means a is equals to b by 3, c is equals to d by 3, right? What is the average of the four numbers? That means a plus b plus c plus d divided by 4. This is what I need to find out. Okay, now if I take this equation, so what is a? A is going to be b square by 3. A is b by 3, so a square is going to be b square by 9 plus b square. C is going to be d by 3. So okay, there is going to be 10b square plus 10d square There is going to be 10 b square plus 10 d square, and this one goes over there. Okay, so that is going to be b square plus d square is equals to 45. ঠিক আছে, b square plus d square is 45. Okay, this is what we have, b plus c. তার মানে এই পোর্শনটা, okay, so that means see, b square plus d square, we are getting 45, right? So that means what, a square plus c square plus this b square plus d square is going to become 45. It is going to become 50. So a square plus c square is equal to 5, right? So we have b square plus d square is 45. We have a square plus c square is 5. We need to find out a plus b plus c by 4. And also we have b plus c as 5.
सर यहाँ पे 150 होगा ना, 10b plus 10d square. 50 into 3 1. सर लास्ट थर्ड लाइन में
हाँ
53 सा 150 होगा ना.
नहीं, 3 नहीं है, ये 9 है. মিন হচ্ছে মাঝখানের গুলো না.
सर एक बार ये समझाएंगे.
एक बार जस्ट कर लेने दो शिखा, स्टेप्स में डेवलपमेंट कर लेना. ये मैं समझाऊंगा तो ऑफ कोर्स. Okay. See, let's do one thing. We cannot do it in ABCD form. It's becoming too long. Okay. Let's follow some other route. You see, the average of the four numbers is 1, 3, 5, 6, all these things, right? If the average is somewhat like this, okay, then the numbers will be closer to that. That is what average is all about, right? Average means what? It is a representation. So if I say 1 is the average, that means the number should be near about negative, right? I mean, near about 1, so what can it be? It can be 0, like 1, 2, or minus 1, somewhat like that.
স্যার আমি বলবো আমি কি মোটামুটি একটা
বলো,
ভেবেছিলাম।
বলো, বলো।
স্যার দেখুন এখানে যেমন বলে দিয়েছে ফার্স্ট দুটো নাম্বার 1:3 রেশিওতে আছে,
হুম,
ঠিক আছে? তো আমি নাম্বারস গুলোকে 1 আর 3 ধরে নিয়েছিলাম, ঠিক আছে?
আচ্ছা,
তারপর বলেছিল যে তোমার মিনস এর সামটা হচ্ছে 5। তো তার মানে নিশ্চয়ই সেকেন্ড নাম্বার আর থার্ড নাম্বারটা মিলিয়ে 5 হওয়া উচিত। এবার যদি সেকেন্ড নাম্বারটা 3 হয়, তার সাথে সবসময় 2 অ্যাড করলে তবেই 5টা হবে,
হুম,
তাই না? তো তাই জন্য আমি থার্ড নাম্বারটাকে 2 ধরলাম।
ঠিক আছে।
তারপর ফার্স্ট আর সেকেন্ড নাম্বার যেহেতু 1:3 রেশিও আছে, তার মানে সেকেন্ড থার্ড আর ফোর্থ নাম্বারটা 1:3 রেশিও থাকা উচিত। যদি
হুম,
থার্ড নাম্বারটা 2 হয়, তাহলে ওটাকে 1:3 রেশিওতে করতে গেলে
হুম,
সবসময় ফোর্থ নাম্বারটা 6ই হওয়া উচিত। তো
ঠিক
তারপরে
আছে।
ওইগুলোকে অ্যাড করলে 12 আসছে, 12 এলে তারপরে সেটাকে 4 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করলে
রাইট,
3
রাইট।
হয়ে যাচ্ছে।
খুব ভালো অ্যাপ্রোচ ফলো করেছো। দেখো, let us start from here. Okay, the ratio of the first two terms is 1:3. Okay, so let me take the first term as x and second term as 3. See, normally when a ratio is there, Ritama, we don't take the ratio values as the absolute values. We can multiply the x shape and we can take it x and 3x. Okay, so the first term is x, the second term is 3x. Now, the sum of the mean is 5. So, what is going to be the third term? That means the sum of the second term and the third term is 5. So, what is going to be the third term? 5 minus 3x, right? Now, it is given that the four numbers are in proportion. So, the fourth number is say y I am taking. So, that means x by 3x equals to 5 minus 3x by y, right? This one gets cancelled out. So, y becomes 5 to the 15 minus 9x, right? This becomes my y. Now, the sum of the squares of the four numbers. So, that means x square, 9x square. So, x square plus 9x square plus a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, and this is going to be a square minus 2ab, so 50. Okay, so now we can go on solving this. So 9, 10, 19. Okay, so 9, 10, 19, 100. It's going to be 100x square. Now 30, again 300. It's going to be 300x, right? 25 and 225 is going to be 250 minus 50 divided equals to 0. This is going to be 100x square minus 300x plus 200 equals to 0. If I take 100 common, say x square minus 3x plus 2 is equals to 0. Okay, now we can easily solve it. We can just apply middle term. Okay, and x square minus 2x minus x plus 2 is equals to 0. So x is equals to x minus 2 minus 1 is equals to x minus 2. So x minus 1 to x minus 2 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 1 comma 2. So there are two values of x coming up 1 comma 2. What I need to find out, what is the average of the four numbers. So I have got the numbers. So when x equals to 1, okay, first number is x, right? What is the second term? 3x. What is the third term? 5 minus 3x, that is going to be 2. What is going to be the fourth term? 15 minus 9x, so that is going to be 6, right? What is going to be the average? 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 6 12, divided by 4, that is going to be 3. Even if you take 2, okay, so let us take x equals to 2, let's take test with x equals to 2. What is going to be the second term? 3x, that is going to be 6, okay. The third one is going to be 5 minus 3x, okay, so that is 5 minus minus 1, it is coming up, okay. So here it is going to get disrupted. What is the fourth term? The fourth term is 15 minus 9x, so that is again 15 minus 18, that is again going to become minus 3. So what is the average? 6 plus 2 8, and then 6 plus 2 is 8, and then so 4 by 2, that is 2. We don't have any option 2, so that means 3 will be my answer, okay. So see, I'll explain this again. Ishika. You see, it is given that four numbers are in proportion. See, if you start with ABCD, it is going to be a total mess. So okay, so four numbers are in proportion. So this method is in line with what Ritoma did. The sum of the squares of the four numbers is 50, and the sum of the mean is 5. So normally what we do, as we did the sum, we do the sum, right? That is what we follow. But this sum is a little twist, because that is what we attempted in the beginning. Four numbers in proportion. I took ABCD, okay, but it didn't work. You see, the key of this sum is given in the second line. The ratio of first two terms is 1 is to 3. The ratio of first two terms is 1 is to 3, okay. So that means if the first term is x, the second term is 3x, right? You see that here you understand. If the first term is x, the second term is 3x. Hello Ishika, are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm listening.
So if the first term is x, the second term is 3x. Now it is given that sum of the mean is 5. Sum of the mean is 5. So what is mean? Mean is the sum of the second and third term. So if the second term is 3x, the third term is going to be 5 minus 3x. Okay, it is going to be 5 minus 3x. What is the fourth term? The fourth term is y. I am taking the fourth term is y. Now it is given that these four numbers are in proportion. That means x by 3x equals to 5 minus 3x by y. Okay. If you cross multiply, you will get y as this. Now we'll come to the second information. The sum of the squares of the four numbers is 50. That is x square plus 3x square, which is 9x square, plus 5 minus 3x square, okay, plus your y square is equal to 50. Okay, if you solve this, this is going to be a very easy quadratic equation. We get this. This is the equation that we get. Okay, this can be done by Middleton factorization. Middleton factorization, jano to? Ishika, do you know Middleton factorization? You must be knowing it. So x square minus within bracket 2 plus 1, x plus 2 equals to 0. Okay, so now if you solve it, okay, you will get x minus 1 and x minus 2 is 0, so x equals to 1 comma 2. Now when I take x equals to 1, I find out the four numbers, and then the average is 3. If I get x equals to 2, okay, if I get x equals to 2, I again find out the other three numbers, but here I get the average as 2. 2 is not an option, so 3 is the right answer.
सर हम रेतमा वाले अप्रोच से एक बार ट्राई किए तो
कौन सा
उससे भी
अप्रोच?
3
हाँ
आ रहा है। रेतमा जो अप्रोच
हाँ हाँ
बताई
हाँ,
उससे किए तो उससे 3 आ रहा, और उसके पहले हम से ट्राई किए थे तो उसमें 5 आ रहा था।
उसके पहले क्या ट्राई किए थे?
उसके पहले हम नॉर्मली ये a is to b is equals to c is to d which is 1 is to 3, तो हम ए को हाँ A इज इक्वल्स टू 3B वैसे करके किए थे.
कैलकुलेशन में कुछ गड़बड़ हुआ होगा. ठीक है. Okay, so ratio of the first
तो
two
आंसर
terms is
3
equal.
है या 5 है सर?
आंसर 3 है. हाँ. না, average of ও 4 বাই ঠিক করেছি. কটা আছে যেন? এটা তো 4 বাই 4 করেছিলাম না? এটা হচ্ছে সেকেন্ডটা হচ্ছে 2 6 is 8 4 বাই 4 হবে. এটা হচ্ছে 1. One is also coming as one of the answers. But one is also coming as one of the answers. So it should be, here it is given 3, but it should be either of this. I mean, it can be both 1 and 3. That's an option. Wait. What's the average of the two numbers? Option is answer is option number 3. I think this is 3, or I think this is option only. Answer is 5. You know what is the answer?
5 भी आ रहा है, 3 भी आ रहा है और 1 भी आ रहा
1 भी
है.
आ रहा है,
हाँ तीनों ही ऑप्शन आ रहे हैं.
लेकिन 6 नहीं आ रहा है.
हम्म.
वही मार्क करके आना चाहिए. রিতম তোমার কি এসছে 3?
হ্যাঁ,
মানে অপশন নাম্বার 3 নাকি আনসার 3?
অ্যান্সার 3.
মানে অপশন নাম্বার 2, তাই তো?
হ্যাঁ,
আচ্ছা আমার তো 2 অপশন নাম্বার 2 অপশন নাম্বার 1 ও আসছে, আর ইশিকার অপশন নাম্বার 3 আসছে. তাহলে আমরা কি ইন্টারসেকশনটা নেব সবার আনসারে?
सर मैक्सिमम वाला जिसका सबका 3 आया तो वही होगा.
See, in these type of questions, okay, in this type of, because sum of the squares of the four numbers, let me see whether this satisfies all the conditions. Sum of the squares, so 1 square plus 1 square plus 9 plus 4 plus 36, 40. Yes, it satisfies. This one is 4 plus 36 plus 1 plus 9. Yeah, this one also satisfies. Everything, both of these satisfies. Actually, the answer should be 1 as per the numbers that I have got. Okay, it should be 3 and 1. Okay, 3 and 1. लेकिन तुमको 5 भी आया बोल रहे हो. Okay, see, in these type of questions, if these type of questions come, okay, and if you attempt it, you will get grace marks. Okay, where there are multiple answers. Okay, if you attempt one, I mean, whatever is the, maybe the answer is 1 and 3. I mean, option number 1 and option number 2. Average is 1 and 3. If you mark in one of them, you will get the marks. So don't worry about that. But I will try out this sum once again today. Okay.